And now it's time we talked about advanced search operators. So we'll go back to the first example, recipe banana bread, and you can see you've got 17 million results. If you want to break it down, let's say that you want to search only on a specific website, you use site colon like that, and then I'm gonna use allrecipe.com or recipes I think .com. So this time is going to search only on this website. Any subdomain, it doesn't matter, but it is going to be allrecipes.com. So you can see 21,000 results. So this time is going to search the entire website of all recipes, and on each page is going to search everywhere. So if we want Google to search only in the text and not in the title um, part of the HTML page, we're gonna do something like in title, and then we're going to use a term, or for example, I don't know, whatever, let's say recipe, like that. This means that it's going to search um, everywhere. So maybe I can go down site allrecipes.com. So what it does here is that it's going to search only the website allrecipes.com, and then it's going to search the words banana and bread everywhere in the title and in the text, and the word recipe in the title. So this is the title. So you've got the word recipe here, and then banana bread anywhere, either in the title or the text, the body. Let me remind you what the text, the body, and the title are. So let's go to the first result and then right click view source, page source, and again this is the HTML code, and we can see that I'm gonna find body. Okay, so you see you've got the tag, the command body. So before that, all the everything that's here is information that is going to be used by search engines and different software, and there is here something that is called, so everything that's here is not going to be presented as content to the audience, and here there is title. Okay, title, there are too many, so there you go, this is title. So this command is what gives the name to the tab here. So everything that appears here, it is indicated in the command title. So if I use in title, it's going to search the word only here, and it's going to ignore every single occurrence of the word in the rest of the file. And in text, we're going to see it after that. Just so body, there you go, body. So there is the head part and the body part in an HTML file. If you want to learn, go watch my series on web design. So from here to the end is the content that is going to be presented on the web page or in the web page as content. So if I use in text, this time the word recipe is going to be searched, detected in the body part and not in the title part of the web page. If I need more than one word to be searched in the title, instead of doing something like this, when I write in title recipe, is going to search the word recipe in the title, but it's going to be only if I do something like that, let's say banana, only the word recipe, so only the word that follows the operator is going to be searched, is going to be concerned by the operator. So banana is going to be all alone. So if I want both to be in title, I have to do something like this. Or, because imagine doing that many times, and then cinnamon. So write in title column 4 times. We can do something like this: all in title, and then do this. This means that all the words that follow are going to be concerned um, by the all in title. If instead of searching within the text or within the title, maybe you want to search within the URL, that is the address here. So I could write all in URL. This means that the 4 words are going to be searched only within the URL, the web address if you like. So let's wait and see. And there you go. So recipe, cinnamon, blah blah blah, and let's see, the URL can be quite long, so recipe, cinnamon, banana, bread. So there you go. Banana, bread, cinnamon, recipe. So it doesn't matter what the site talks about, it's only the URL that is interesting to us. And of course you could do something like in URL, that is just for one word at a time. If you want recipe for banana bread, cinnamon banana bread, and you want it to appear, you want Google to search within PDF documents, file type, and you write the file extension that you want. And here you've got only PDF documents, as you can see here. If it's an ODT, why not? ODT, that is a OpenOffice Writer native format. ODP, that is a presentation, maybe a PowerPoint. Yeah, you've got PowerPoint presentations. So it's file type. Another operator that you might want to use, but I would say it's rather redundant, but you write info or recipes.com. What you've got here is you've got only one result, that is the allrecipes.com, and then you've got the info, that is the title, you've got the URL, and you've got the description. It would be the same thing as if you did this. The only difference is that you're going to have much more data here. You see all that. So however, it's the same thing, because the first result of this is going to be the same as the result for info, for the info operator. And of course you can combine, for example, recipe banana bread, site or recipes. We've seen that. So what you can do is say, okay, I want recipe for banana bread, and I do not want you to search within the allrecipes.com website, so minus. And you can see BBC, Simply Recipes, Food, Taste, etc. So minus is not only for words, but it's only for operators. And the last thing we could the last operator that we are gonna want to learn is this. Let's write by parrot. What you've got here, you've got web pages in the results that contain by and parrot wherever, in the title, in the text, in the URL, wherever. So what you can say is this: search the words by and parrot, or either one, it depends on what you want, only within the link, the anchors. The anchor is the text, the clickable text for a link. For example, this is a link. Okay, so you've got down here, you've got, there you go, this is the URL where you're gonna go if you click on the link, and this is the anchor. It is the text upon which you click to go somewhere. So if you write all in anchor, is going to search only within anchors and not title the rest of the text. So the proof you got here, and you're gonna find, for example, here you see there's a word parrot within the anchor, and of course if you search, you're gonna find, for example, maybe here you have the word by and blah blah blah, and let's find another one, got parrot, this is the anchor, then again parrot here, this is a link, so the parrot is within the anchor. Two things you should know about the all in anchor is that you cannot combine it with other search operators, so it has to be all alone. And then again, you could break it down and say I want the word parrot everywhere in the page, and then within the anchor I want the word by. So this is going to change the results. So this is in anchor as in text, in URL, in title. It's the same thing. If you add all, it is going to take every single word here into consideration, but without all, it's just the following word. And this is all you need to know about advanced search operators.